Alright, we're going to show here how to replace the laptop screen on an asus laptop. First thing, you want to make sure you got the battery and power cord removed. I've already removed the two screws on the front, right here and here. Just, all you got to do is pull up on the sides and go all the way around. And this will come off. And you'll see 4 screws in the 4 corners of the screen. When you get them out, the screen will fall out here. You can lay it down. And there's a connector here that should be taped down. You just kind of peel back the tape. And then lightly pull out the connector. That's removed. And you place it same way. Then once you get that connector back on, line the screen back up, put your 4 screws back in, and you replace your guard here, snap it back in, place your 2 screws, and you're done.